So TikTok gathered all the top creators in the country, I guess, to all come into one place. So if, you know, they want to take us out. Well, apparently this is a Forest Auto Review's van. Right? I don't know what I'm looking at.
This is really...
It's like the greatest thing to pull up to the function.
Yeah.
Some of the cars I've seen out here in Jersey, like this.
Yeah.
There was another one that we saw yesterday.
VinFast?
Oh,
Yes,
it was.
VinFast.
Still taking a Miata. You got an Escort down there. Yo, the aesthetic of this place? Legit. I hope. They have a Ford Escort Cosworth. I am freaking out as a car person and as a regular person because I've never seen one of these in my life with the OZs on it, and the car's so incredibly clean. Like, why can't I keep my cars clean enough to have them like this?
You ever go into TikTok and it shows you something and then it refreshes?
Oh yeah, and you can never find it again.
Well, I'm gonna stand on the roof.
Yes, yo. I need to see this. Does he know that? I'm not even gonna ask any questions. I don't want to know. He's not even here. I'm not involved in any way. I was just facing.
Like the Wyers that got you from Atlanta.
Striker 911.
Oh my god.
This is a Ferrari Dino. It's built by Current Los Angeles. Everything about this car is fully electric. It is a full electric conversion in terms of the driving experience. So everything from the dashboard to the drivetrain, the gear shift, everything about this car is fully custom.
Jeez. You just rest the key.
So you just rest the key on that section of the dash, or excuse me, on that section
Oh,
of the
wow.
console, and it turns on. It's gonna run through a startup sequence. That startup sequence has
Oh my
complementary.
It's like a reboot on the computer.
So it will run through this real quick. When this is done, it will show you the dash. From there, you can basically just put the key in the holder,
Okay.
and that's where it'll live while the car is on. Now, once this comes on, you have a little interface. This is a fully custom interface created by Current Los Angeles. Now you have all your gear shifts and basically all of your information right here on the dash.
Wow.
So once I hit the brake and I engage the car into drive, you can see the car goes into drive.
Really?
Goes into reverse, same as you would on any other car. The horn, thermostat controls, and all of that bits.
Wow.
Moving to the rear of the car, you have a electric charge port here, and then you have the full battery pack as it sits in the back of the car. So still relatively a mid-engine car.
This was originally a gas-powered car.
This was originally a gas-powered car, yeah.
So this is a real Dino, or is this?
Real Dino. So this
Really?
started as a real Dino. It ran and drove into the shop, and then was converted to electric.
Wow. Okay.
Super fun. Again, that shop is Current Los Angeles. Yeah.
So what was the reason for the owner to do the conversion?
He's got, or because they
He has
know
everything?
you,
Okay. Jeez. A real Dino.
Literally, like, that looks like a computer.
It looks like a PC, right?
Yeah, so but all of that is fully customizable, so that can literally be any color you want. Generally in drive mode, other than demo mode now, it will stay white. So
Wow. That is a compromising spot. This guy packed in a whole tripod with him and it's looking. Yeah, you see, I don't like that.